engine bay, start down deep and work your way up. We did the fuel pump lines first and then the lower radiator hose. This car already had the transmission cooling lines hooked up.
For the front accessories, we started with the steering pump that we had swung out of the way. Usually the fan shroud will have to go in before the fan. This is a new water pump and pulley, but we know that the belts are going to line up because we checked them in pre-assembly. Our belts were still labeled in the right order. It's actually a better idea to just replace them if they have any signs of wear. If you get new belts of the same length, the marks and order of your old belts will help you get everything back together.
When the fan and water pump pulleys are all set, the shroud can get buttoned up. We did the alternator next, and then we remembered that we had a hidden spacer behind one of the brackets on one of our engines when we opened up our alternator drawer of the storage bin. Don't forget to go back and look over your notes from the removal. You'll be reminded of little things like the hidden spacer or other notes that you made. You want to have your belts very tight. After